In this video, we are going to install MongoDB. So head over to MongoDB Download Center. We'll be choosing a Community Server Edition, which is free. So choose Community Server for Windows 64-bit. Download the MSI. This shall begin your download. Once the download gets completed, you can double click or right click and choose the install option to start the installation. Click next, accept the terms. Over here choose complete, leave it as it is, and then click next, and install. So this shall begin your installation process. It will take a few minutes. After the installation is complete, you can open up MongoDB Compass, and this is their license agreement. You need to agree to this. These are the MongoDB features. You can browse through them by clicking next or previous. On the last slide, you shall get an option to get started. Click it. I don't want any of these features, so I'll deselect these options and start using Compass. Leave the settings as they are and click connect. On the left side, we have three databases that we can see: admin, config, local, and we'll create our new one, which is MyDB. Give collection any name. I'll give it sample underscore collection, and create database. As you can see, on the left and right, both sides, we have MyDB created. So I'll now head over to command prompt, D drive, where my project is located. I'll activate my environment, cd into the project. Now what we need to do is install Django. So pip install Django. It's an adapter for MongoDB. So it's successfully now installed. So now we can open up our settings.py file over here. Go to the databases section. I'll comment out these previous settings. Grab the new settings from the GitHub. I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure you check it out. You need to replace the database name with your name that you gave to the database, which in my case was MyDB. Once this is done, now you can run the command make migrations. If any errors persist, they will be shown up over here. So no errors. So we can now create tables in MongoDB by issuing command python manage.py migrate. So everything is okay. Now we need to create a super user. Python manage.py create super user. I'll give it a shorter name for admin. SHASH, and you can leave the email address field blank. Provide the password twice, and the super user is created successfully. Then make sure you run server and copy the port number. In my case it's 8080, so I'll go to localhost 8080, and now our Django project is up and running. So I'll now navigate to admin. Over here now I'll select the credentials that I gave in the command prompt after issuing command create super user and login. So it says login successfully, and this is our database. We'll browse through it, and over here we can see that the tables have been created, and all these are created by python manage.py migrate command. That's it. Thank you guys.